walk Jamaica. And in this video, we're at the intersection of Cashew Park and Red Hills Road. Well, so what Cashew Park is like?
Cashew Park ends right here.
It ends?
Right here. So Cashew Park will go straight down to the stoplight.
Okay. Sewing up something. Gee, alright. So what you celebrate now? Don't worry. Jack loud. Mr. General, big up your socials. Why look like you're popular, man? Okay. Get rid of the mango tree. Why is it? I believe you. I believe. I believe you. Greetings.
No lose. I believe no losing.
That's
straight
it.
win.
See him, sir. See him, sir.
That's enough.
Ever bless people. Welcome to another episode of Walk Jamaica. And in this video, we're at the intersection of Cashew Park and Red Hills Road. Red Hills Road takes you that way. Cashew Park that way. Viewers and subscribers, get ready. Get your walking shoes and let's go take on Red Hills Road. And Red Hills Road, I'll be walking through Red Hills Road to Kingston Spring Road. Let's go. Pick up yourself, rider. See you there. And this chill spot here is at the intersection of Red Hills Road and Cashew Park Road. This one here. Greetings. What's the name of your bar here? What's the name of your bar?
Restaurant and bar.
Where's
It's a restaurant and bar.
Oh,
Signs
this
up there.
yeah.
Locks and Jones.
Locks?
Locks and Jones.
Locks and Jewels?
Yeah, J-U-L-S.
Okay. Right. So, I decided the spot where man them come cool out.
Yeah.
In the day or in the night hour.
Something in the evening.
So where Cashew Park is like?
Cashew Park ends right here.
It ends?
Right here.
And,
So Cashew Park will go straight down to the stoplight.
okay, so that road go that way as well.
Red Hills Road.
No, that one go that way.
Red Hills Road.
Oh,
Here's Red Hills Road.
it takes a circle. So Cashew Park
This used to be
ends
a roundabout.
Okay.
It used to be a roundabout. So Cashew Park ends right here.
going that way.
Right here is Red Hills Road.
Yeah.
Right over there where the plaza is 40 Cashew Park.
Okay.
So this is where it ends. So
Yes.
people think that this is where it starts, but this is actually where it ends. It
Okay.
starts at the stoplight on Mollins Road.
Oh. Yes, I know that. I know that stretch. So in today's vlog, I'll be walking to Kingston Spring Road. You think I can take on a journey?
Kingston Spring Road, about actually.
I'm just gonna walk to the end of Red Hills Road. I might be cross over into
Yes.
Red Hills into
Into
Kingston Spring.
Spring Road.
All right.
Actually, Eastwood Park and then take it to Kingston Spring Road.
I say go.
Yes, the stoplight is Eastwood Park Road.
Okay.
But as it goes by the Justice Office,
Yeah.
there is Kingston Spring Road.
I learn as I go. I'm a stranger to this place, so you're my so be my tour guide.
I can't have work.
You have to serve in the bar. You have to serve in the bar.
Yes.
All right.
Another time.
I want to pull in your legs, man.
Yeah, man, I know.
All right. So I am Everblessed Travels, you may not know. I walk, showcase beautiful things, people, and places.
Yes.
You and this place
Yes.
is today.
It's today.
Yes.
Thank you
All
very
right.
much. All right.
So we can take a look at the restaurant.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
All right. So yes. I'm doing a recording, my brother. So there you go, my people. So if I can make you to buy a food, why you think I should make you to buy a food?
I beg you, man. Right, that's someone bias, man.
Yeah,
Can I give me the food?
No, I can complete it with the food.
Alright.
I can start here.
Alright.
But I have to go inside. How much you have?
Nah, man, I hear them to start.
No, but me, them gonna start, you know, are you gonna buy the food?
No, man, no on the food, man.
What you do, what you do for a living?
Container, me unload over there, so but.
So me can show you on the vlog? It's a YouTuber. Me record what you say, yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah, right now.
yeah.
So I can show you.
Yeah, man.
Why, you know, want everybody to see that you're, me can't afford to buy your complete food, eh?
Actually, the money is
Alright, so, big up yourself in general. I do a vlog inside, eh? So this is where you get the food, alright? Some of me inside, so privately. Alright, so we're just gonna show you the restaurant, as we show you the bar already. And it is on Cashew Park Road. And this right here is where Cashew Park Road ends. Red Hills Road. Go that way. And we're gonna be taking on Red Hills Road to the stage road. Some of viewers and subscribers, let the walk begin through Red Hills Road to Constance Spring Road. The passenger. Universal Stock Shops Limited 58 Red Hills Road. So for all of your shocks, Subaru, Toyota, parts, that's the place. No joke. Mr. Brazil, how are you going with? Where's the winner or loser, Brazil?
I draw.
Win, lose. Sewing up something. See, all right. So what you celebrate now? Why you celebrate this time of the day? Eh? You win the record already?
We win the record already.
I know.
Yeah, Brazil, we are Superman.
Yeah.
We are Superman for Record.
Yeah.
You know what you can't do without me, right?
Yeah.
I'll not try to go around me. Brazil. Remember, we have this cup 5 times. Where are they?
I know.
Much time when I have it, top them.
You say you have something to brag about? Brag on boss. Ever bless Charles with them, see? YouTube. See?
You're not anywhere, man. Let's
Yeah.
go to the world.
Yeah, man.
You're seeing gold.
Same
The
sir.
world, watch it.
Check me out.
Watch it. Is that?
Don't worry. Jack loud. Mr. General, big up your socials. Why look like you're a popular man? Mr. General, big up your socials. Big up your socials. Big up your socials. Big up your socials.
Get to you. So I mean, where is it?
Big up your socials, man. Big up your own.
Bad sus this.
Bad?
One bad sus. You hear that?
Yes.
Everybody know bad sus. You have mad sus and you have bad sus.
So this is a bad sus.
Mad sus.
Jano, take it out. Brazil! In my team. No joke. Some people. Anyway, if you like it or you don't like it, Jamaica is just a vibe. Yeah. Jamaica is just a vibe. No joke. Take a good look. Red Hills Road. Yeah. Take a good look, my people. They ain't come about football. But what to do? It's in the season. And the Brazilian fans say, no lose. He said win, lose or draw. Brazil same way. Mad sauce. Big up your blessings. No joke. So then say muffler them do. All the can muffler them. Yeah man, yes sir. Alright. Fully active.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, cross gently, no joke. Active. Auto AC repair. No joke. Barber shops are open. No joke. These bikes. I need one of these bikes. Anyone would like to sponsor Ever Best Showers, one of them back here, so I can ride the street. Yeah, man. Barber shop, fully active. Greetings, my general. Greetings. So we're walking to it's a school there. Red Hills Road, active. Not just active, fully active. That is no joke. And in this brilliant sun, walking Red Hills Road, I have to drink a Pepsi. It's a Pepsi moment. It's a Pepsi, cool down, hydrate my system going that way. So, big up Pepsi every day. One a day. No joke. Another gully here. Whole of them gully are there in Kingston, you know. If it wasn't for these gully, tell you, Kingston is a drown as the rain. Joe, take your time, General, take your time. Turn from the bridge, no joke. I say you no play. Turn from the bridge, no joke. So parents pick up their kids from school. Done robbing early childhood. Well, I do over this one. Take a good look. Alright. Some of viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for walking with Ever Best Travels. Please give this video a like. If you are new here, please subscribe. Subscribe and join the family of walking. Let me cross over here and show you this side of this gully here. And the next person turn on the bridge again. Come on. This is a gully here. And as you take a good look over, you can see parents picking up the kids from school. They are ensuring their safety. Take a good look at it. How's the walk? Red Hills Road. Some of viewers and subscribers, as we are in the season of World Cup football, leave for me in the comment the team that you're supporting for this World Cup. Leave for me in the comment if you honestly believe that Jamaica is a Brazil country or Argentina. I think that it is more popular supported by Argentina fans. Yeah man, take a good look as we walk along. Red Hills Road, no joke. A lot of business places here. Great. Wanna get down. What kind of mango this? Black mango? What mango I grown? Mango for days. Take a good look, my people, no joke. So you say I get rid of limbs or I get rid of mango? But look for you there, I deal with it, huh? You deal with it away. I'm passing it. Yeah, mango for days. So look at you chop it. Get rid of the mango tree. Why is it in way? Yeah. So that's something can come in without that. Rip them apart. Yeah man. So instead of a chuck or anything come in and tear them down, and chop them down. Smart. A joke. It's just a plaza here. Tocateur. Red Hills Road, Kingston. Take a good look, my people. As the video tours, greetings to you, my brother. I know you walk Red Hills Road. I know you're familiar with Red Hills Road. Randingo lifestyle. Big up your live stream. Especially the one you do on Mondays, where you ask a lot of quiz questions. Yeah. Some of viewers and subscribers, check out Randingo Lifestyle. Please leave a comment. Tell Randingo Lifestyle that you're coming from Everbest Travels. The one we don't joke. Greetings, mama. Mommy walking home from school with his son. She making sure that him reach home okay. No joke. Yes, you see it. So you're good. You buy food already? Okay. So my people, that gentleman there asked me earlier on to buy him a food. I said I can meet him halfway. He didn't buy the food at the restaurant that he said he was going to buy it. He's journeying up the road to buy the food. Do I believe him? Well, you're innocent until you're proven guilty. As far as I'm concerned. Walking Red Hills Road. Kingston. No joke. So take a left turn there. Just hoping that is a food base. You might check out. And no other base. He's not so much of a truthful guy. For winter. The Trade Center. Wow. Red Hills Road active, man. Lot of new Westminster Road. Oh, yes, Westminster Road hangout. Greetings, Brazil fans. Are Brazil fans there?
Yeah, man. Brawling, man. Brawling is a Brazil, man. Outside.
I'm going to tell you a little story. Because you support Brazil, you buy 2 food. You must support another team and buy 1 food.
Yeah. You know now.
I told me attack. All right. Ever bless Charles my name here? See there. Brazil fan?
Eh?
A Brazil, you say?
Me?
Eh.
Lionel Messi, yeah.
Aye. So you have 1 food man again? In Brazil, man have 2 food, you know? Oh, me are traveling on the street with people. As you know me well, if you are always here, you know well that I'm not gonna walk the street alone. I have to trouble and interfere, interact with persons as I go. I love doing that. No joke. Take a good look at the activeness of Red Hills Road. Yeah. See, everyone knows that's a Red Hills Road going. Fully active, no joke. Oh. Big up yourself, Brazil fan. Brazil? Me just see him, sir. Some people. I tell you, say Jamaica, Brazil country, you know. Hey, if they ever lose World Cup, if they ever lose this World Cup, Brazil fans, greetings. Tools. One of the tools have one branch on Red Hills Road. Big too. Wow. Didn't know. Some of viewers and subscribers, you see the reason why I like to walk. So leave for me in the comment how much of you did know that tools did have a building here. And it's not just ever place travel that showcase it to you for the first time. Yeah. Yeah. Take a good look. Half a tree going up that way. A joke. So as I continue to walk, Radius Road, Troublesome TV, greetings. Big up yourself, Troublesome TV. Continue to take on Jamaica, my bro. We're exposing our country, Jamaica, to the world. No joke. A Brazil fan, my general. Go on, go on. You don't follow trend? How who you think? Who you think I bring? Who you bring for the World Cup? Which team you bring for the World Cup?
I'm a Messi supporter, you know.
See there. So we continue to yeah. You say I'm a Messi supporter. Him now follow the crowd. So I wonder if the rest of the persons that follow the crowd are they genuinely creative. Tile ceramic. Woo! Oliver tiles, tiles and more tiles. Tiles with days. What do over this? Same tools? That's a tools big? Do you know? Never know that's a tools big. They're spread out all over Reddy's Road. Take a good look, my viewers and subscribers, on Red Hills Road. Greetings. Take your time. Yeah, take your time. All right. Tools again. Wait. That's the tools are going. On Red Hills Road. All right. Brazil fan? A Brazil fan? Oh, your support? Princess say only shaking head. No answer. So as I continue to walk Red Hills Road, continue to drink a Pepsi. No joke. So big up Pepsi. And big up Pepsi. So next Pepsi there again, show you the Pepsi sign on my people. Show you some non joke. See it? Big promotion to Pepsi in the video. Why? Because I like Pepsi. I'm Brazilian fan, I can't if you come with a taxi. So then they're everywhere over the city. Big up yourself, Daddy. Greetings, greetings. Can I hear you? No, YouTube. Where is the man to come across? Where is the man come across? I don't walk the street here. Best coconut what? Talk to me again. Where say you have as the best? Which one of them flag the best flag the man yourself? Why best flag the man yourself? Brazil.
Same style, Brazil.
Brazil. I best flag that out.
Yeah, Brazil.
Okay.
Must win. Nothing can catch it. Nothing will be a nothing. Fire feet. Yeah, man.
But the man who say the flag that look like you know it's a flag a lead. In the stand up. Then you just stand up quiet, sir. Then you quiet, sir.
With the flag. With the Brazil flag. Wow. Yeah, man.
Brazil jersey sell the most.
Yeah.
What?
Because Jamaica is a Brazil country.
That is it.
And
Right now.
that didn't know.
Oh.
And then they say,
Best jelly, man. No matter know that.
And then they say,
everybody come buy jelly.
Man, I best coconut them, no man, you know?
yeah.
You drink one, no more.
So, alright, so right here, so Red Hills Road finish? Where Red Hills Road finish?
That's the style, man. You go way back, so.
No, I know, but going this way. It end this way? Oh, okay. Don't confuse me. I'm coming from that way. So does Red Hills Road ends here?
Right here, right?
Right.
The hell I say here. And I him gonna believe, you know? He might tell me say you don't know storm, you know. Anyway.
You calm, you know?
Jano. So where my man in social? Where man in social are going with?
Yeah.
Check out my vlogs, see?
Alright.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah man.
I'll do it.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Alright, greetings, yeah?
Yeah, man, you know?
So big up your socials, man. See that.
Yeah, man, I eat, man, you know?
See there.
Ah.
Brazil.
Brazil.
So suppose that Brazil should lose the
No.
match. Yeah, when
We
you
don't
got to
believe
show your
in
jersey, you keep it here.
No. What up we have, you know? You know?
I believe you.
Five, what up we have?
I believe. I believe you.
No
Greetings.
Lord.
No
No Lord.
lose, we don't believe
No,
no
no.
lose.
That's
Straight
it.
win.
No Lord.
See him, sir. See him,
Ah,
sir.
that's enough.
Ever bless people. The man say Brazil. The man then say Brazil. Jamaica say Brazil, is it? Jamaica, and not Jamaica, Jamaica. Hey. And now, we say Eastwood Park Road, going that way. And I've walked you through Eastwood Park Road already. So I'm just gonna take you straight across there to Kingston Swing Road, where there's no joke. Take a good look at this place. The next World Cup, the next Brazil match, I want to be somewhere to help someone celebrate. There's a pedestrian cross here. I'm going to cross on it, but look here. They put the pedestrian cross in the right one corner. Hey, across this one. So I'm going to show you the creativity of these people. One pedestrian cross here. There's another one over there. And there's another one there. Creative. That means somebody get a chance to cross. So these cars, Eastwood Park Road, going that way. I want to go straight across here and to Kansas. Let's see what I got. The cross over here, so quick and fast. Great. This car is going, okay. Eastwood Park Road. Used cars. New and used cars. Here. No joke. Take a good look. See anything you like? So there you have it, my viewers and subscribers, walking through Red Hills Road, drinking a Pepsi, and now this is Kingston Spring Road, taking you to Halfway Tree. Take a good look. So please, my people, please remember to, if you are new here, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Greetings, pull over! We'll continue to walk through. So there you have it. My viewers and subscribers, there you have it. We are now on Kingston Spring Road. And promise I make, promise I keep. You walk with me from Cashovac Road through Red Hills Road, and now we are on Kingston Spring Road. Where this video will come to an end. Ever Blessed Travels is saying so long, and I will see you in the next episode of Walk in Jamaica. See you in the next walk. No joke.